Visual timers, why do they work? Why do human brains perceive them so well? Well, imagine the first types of timers, maybe something the ancient Egyptians used, and that's the sand timer, or you see the glass vial and the sand drips through and you want to think, oh, I better get this done before the sand runs out. And then you also think of, what were the first clocks? Well, they were sundials, and you could visually see where's the shadow on the ground to determine where should I be, what should I be doing next, how do I prepare for the cold. Visual timers have the same effect on modern people. Doesn't matter whether you're a kid or an adult, has the same effect on you. Think about when you watch the show 24 or any action film where there's a bomb timer that's about to go off and they show you there's 5 minutes left and it starts ticking down and your heart rate bumps up a little bit and you're thinking, oh, I better get this done before that timer hits 0. Well, we want to do that, but without the anxiety for kids. So we use all those tricks. And effectively, we're replacing a mechanical timer. They usually cost you some money and they're easy to break and they're finicky. So we wanted to give you something simple, easy to use, and use just a tiny bit of that movie magic. So there is a ticking sound so the kid knows, okay, I better keep focusing on my time, because if we keep their attention on the time, it's harder for time to just pass and say, oh, where did the last 20 minutes go? I don't know. Well, there's been kind of a metronome to keep us on track.